Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lug. We begin with news overseas, where the United States government says it collected $22 billion in tariff payments from importers on Friday. The U.S. has taken in nearly $30 billion in tariff revenue so far this month, already surpassing July's record by $4 million. That's according to the Treasury Department. Friday's surge in tariff revenue results from a deferred payment system. It gives importers until the 15th business day to submit payment for goods received the prior month. Meanwhile, the exemption that allowed goods worth less than $800 to enter the U.S. duty-free is set to expire later this week. And on Wednesday, tariffs on most Indian goods are set to double to 50%. Mining company Barrick Gold has announced that it is preparing to start drilling in Jamaica by the end of this year. This comes against the background of output from the country's mining sector, which makes up less than 3% of GDP, falling by 3.5% in the first quarter of this year. The Canada-based company says it will be partnering with Geophysics Jamaica in the venture. Barrick says it is focusing on two large areas with potential gold and copper deposits. Geophysics has already mapped the sites but has not disclosed their locations. The surveys are to be completed by September, allowing drilling to begin before year end. The JSE index advanced by 1,525 points, while the junior market index declined by 53 points. The winners included R.A. Williams Distributors, Margaritaville Turks, Productive Business Solutions US Dollar Ordinary Shares, Guardian Holdings, and Medical Disposables and Supplies. The losers include Express Catering, Consolidated Bakeries, 138 Student Living Jamaica Variable Preference Shares, MFS Capital Partners, and Mayberry Jamaican Equities, 28 stocks traded firm. And foreign exchange trading ended with banks and Cambio selling the US dollar for an average $160.99. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $117.01. The pound is going for $217.10, while the euro is selling for an average $188.88. And that's the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lug. News from overseas after the break.